In this round, what we're going to do is work on our pyramid of combos. We're going to work with our basic pendulum system that we've been working on, but this is an opportunity to throw multiple techniques in a very powerful way. You're going to go with your jab, right kick, jab, cross, switch kick. Guess what's next? Jab, cross, hook, right kick. And then the last one, jab, cross, hook, cross, switch kick. Now listen, it's going to be difficult to throw 5 techniques at 100%, but that's what this drill is. We're trying to really blow open our lungs. What I'm going to ask of you is to make sure when you're throwing it, make sure that you're staying balanced, you're not rushing. Throw them hard, throw them powerful. You don't have to throw them at 100%, throw it at 75, 80%, 90% until you can throw it as hard as you can while maintaining balance and really good technique too. That's very, very important, okay? So I'm gonna start off. My pendulum goes upward, jab, right kick, 1, 2, and I'm just gonna build all the way up. Again, I'm finding my range, making sure I'm in good space. Now I'm coming back down. And that's my pyramid combos going up and down. And if you really watch closely, you would see that I lost my balance in one of those. After the kick, I tried to get my footwork right, and I just kept going. Battle through it. So with my pyramid combos, what I'm doing is I'm building. I'm constantly building. So I'm going from 1 technique to 2 techniques to 3 techniques. I'm building up until I get to whatever combo I'm looking for. And my last combo was jab, cross, hook, cross, switch. Then I start from that spot and I work my way back down again, right? I say pyramid because you work your way up and you come right back down. So I start with that jab kick, jab, cross, switch kick, build my way up. I'll just do it real slow so you can take a look at it one more time. Jab, body kick, jab, cross, switch kick, jab, cross, hook, body kick, jab, cross, hook, cross, switch kick. Now I'm going to come back down again, starting at the longest combo. Jab, cross, hook, cross, switch kick, jab, cross, hook, right kick, rear kick, jab, cross, switch kick, jab, rear kick. Now, when I'm teaching you guys this stuff, I try to say lead kick, rear kick, because I recognize that there's some lefties out there, but just remember, if I say right kick, I'm right-handed, so that's my rear kick. This is something you want to do for multiple rounds. You could do this for 3 rounds, 3 minutes each.